Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a typical shock.
Okay, take the shock. Okay, this is the top of the shock. So I just have a vice grips on this, and that's holding this because if you take this off and you loosen, what this is doing is it's spinning. This shock is all worn out and stuff like that. So what you need to do is just hold that top of the shock post and then just start working your magic, baby. Okay, so once you have that off, you just pull through. There we go. Shock gone. Shock is next. So I'll put these two pieces on. Boom. And go up. Boom.
Those kinds of sweets, and they put together a heck of a few things. And I mean, they roll off the red carpet where they have all sorts of different, like last year I just basically said that it was Justin Jefferson's dad.
Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to remove and install a typical shock.